Hi, superstars. Okay, so today we'll be talking about three business ideas that can give you 100% return on investment in Nigeria. Okay, so these businesses I'm about to share with you are tested and trusted. As a matter of fact, I have been involved in most of these business ideas which I'm about to share with you, and I can attest to the fact that it can indeed bring 100% return on investment. Okay, my superstars, so without wasting your time, let's get started. But before we do, please, my superstars, give me a thumbs up. Okay, please hit the like button. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. All right. So, number one on the list is bedsheet business. Bedsheet business is one business that is coded and very, very profitable. As a young lady, one of the first business I ever did was bedsheet business, and I can attest to the fact that it is very, very profitable. As a matter of fact, I made more than 100% return on investment in bedsheet business, and it's the first business that made me a millionaire in Nigeria. Bedsheet business is one business that, if you know the ropes, you can make money from it, which I'll be sharing with you right now. First, I went to the business center in Nigeria, which is Aba, and then I went to School Road, which is known to have different and assorted types of bedsheet. From there, I selected bedsheets by myself. The key to making money in bedsheet business is your ability to know a good bedsheet fabric, which I shared in one of our videos on how to start a profitable bedsheet in Nigeria and how to know a good bedsheet fabric in Nigeria. I outline in details all the tests you need to carry out on a bedsheet fabric to know if it's a good bedsheet fabric or not. Okay, so with your ability to know a good bedsheet fabric, you can buy and then sew it right there and then package it right there before moving to your location and then swinging into sales. Alright, your ability, like I said, to make money in bedsheet business is one, to know a good bedsheet fabric, two, to know the number of yards that will make bedsheet for each size of bed, and your ability to choose beautiful colors. All right, my superstars, all this I listed in the video. Go and check it out. So after doing all this and then packaging and bringing it back to sell, I was able to make more than 100% return on investment from bedsheet business. Right now, you may not be able to make more than 100% return on investment, but with good knowledge, you should be able to make 100% return on investment from bedsheet business in Nigeria. So, my superstars, go and check out those videos I had mentioned and learn the ropes before swinging into action. All right, my superstars. So, number two on the list is food business. By food business, I mean restaurant or this mama put business. My superstars, there's money in food business. My sister has been in food business and she has been making good money from food business. If you know the ropes, you can make more than 100% return on investment from food business with your dedication and proper supervision and your ability to know where to get good foodstuffs at affordable rates. You can make good money from food business in Nigeria. Right, I know of a place where they sell white soup. Their specialty on their menu is white soup, be it goat meat white soup or chicken white soup. These people have done it such that their white soup has a very unique taste and flavor that draws so many people to their spot. By morning 8 a.m., you need to see the crowd of people that queue to buy white soup. Okay, they sell a plate of white soup at 4,500 naira. And we all know that the basic ingredients in white soup is just the protein and then water and then the thickener, which is the yam, okay, and then crayfish, and you could add you could add stockfish or dried fish. Those are the basic ingredients in white soup. So your ability to mix some spices, they had this unique spice that made it stand out from every white soup in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, that left so many people queuing to rush their white soup. By 1 o'clock, you hear that it's almost finished. Okay, and it's so delicious that at some point the pounded yam will finish and people will still pay the same 4,500 naira to eat white soup with gari. So there is actually money in food business, but my superstars, you have to come up with your own unique recipe and be the best at it. Okay, lots of people are making good money from food. Some people do not just own big restaurants, but they own mama puts. They open by 5 in the evening, sell just few food. Could be gari and white soup, could be gari and afang soup, and before you know it, they have made their money, cool money, and then they are gone. Actually, some people term it as dirty business, but guess what? It's a business that has the ability to give you 100% return on investment. Alright, my superstars, before I mention the last one, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. That's all I ask of you. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, so next on the list is fruit juice business. My superstars, there's money in fruit juice business. Right now, we are in the days where lots of people are living healthy and eating healthy. Lots of people have stopped taking carbonated drinks and are going for natural drinks. Drinks like Zobo, fruit drinks, okay, smoothies, and all that. So this business is one business that if you know the ropes, you can make good money from it. All right, one of such drinks that you can make good money from as a beginner is Zobo drink. Lots of people love Zobo drink, and the cost of production of Zobo drink is low compared to other drinks. And as a beginner with low startup capital, do you know that you can buy the Zobo leaves and then liaise with a fruit seller? We have so many roadside fruit sellers that peel pineapple and then cut them into small sizes and then sell. Most of these sellers, they discard those pineapple peels. So you can liaise with a fruit seller as a beginner and then get those pineapple peels and then put it in your Zobo drink and then cook it and package it and then sell it. These containers in which Zobo drinks are poured into are sold at 200 naira. So if you buy a container at 200 naira and your Zobo leaf and then you add the pineapple peels which you had gotten from a pineapple seller to the Zobo drink, okay, you realize that the cost of production is low and you can make about 100% return on investment from sales of your Zobo drink. All you need to do is live in a place where there's good electricity, and if you have a fridge, fantastic, you are good to go. Or you could buy ice blocks, put it in a cooler, cool it, and then sell it. This is a great start for someone with low capital that will enable you make 100% return on investment in Nigeria. All right, my superstars, have you liked this video? Once again, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Let me know which of those businesses you'll be trying in the comment section. Okay, which of them would you be trying? Please write it in the comment section. Thank you. All right, I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.